Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're on the incredible 32 Vantage Boston Whaler. We ordered this boat with twin 350 white Veratos with the joystick piloting. Aft you have an incredible bench seat here, easily folds out, or when you're fishing, gets out of your way. You have a nice dive door that opens, gives you great access. In the floor compartments, we have two fish boxes that macerate and pump overboard. We have the synthetic teak flooring option on this boat. We also have the retractable sun awning. With the push of a button, you can shade the entire cockpit back here. Moving forward, you have a great seating arrangement which converts to a sun lounger and has storage underneath as well. With this 32 Vantage, we ordered it with the live well option, fridge tucked away underneath, cording countertops. Moving forward to the helm, you see the joystick control. You do have a power helm seat that will raise up and down with the push of a button. Auto trim tabs, large Raymarine GS screen, 7-inch SmartCraft display, and VHF radio. We did order the full curtain package for this boat, so if you're in inclement weather, this will all be enclosed. The port side seat is a double seat and it is powered as well. It will go up and down, and it will also spin around so you can have opposed seating for this area aft. Accessing the port side cabin area, you do have a little convertible berth here with the teak flooring, so if you wanted to get out of the weather and take a nap. Forward of the helm, on the starboard side, you have the head compartment with vacuum flush head and holding tank. One thing I love about the 32 Vantage is how thick the windshield is on this boat. You got a nice setup, big closable window here. Then moving forward, you have great seating up front with wonderful storage underneath. This boat also has the table option forward. It has the pull-out freshwater sprayer here. And we do have a windlass and boarding ladder for the front. This is the 32 Vantage Boston Whaler, and if you'd like to see it in person, you can reach me at 910-200-9636. And my name is Scott Douglas. Have a great day.